Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Still swipe obsessed. I'm going to hold the tap out of the way. I'm going to put a base layer of paint down on top of a pre-primed black canvas. Use my OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula if I've got one not in the bucket, and I do. Best paint spreading tool I know of, bar none. Get my bottles out of the way so I can flip my canvas around. Last time I put a heavier layer of paint on the canvas, which might have helped facilitate my swiping. But since I'm going to use colors, and probably not even white this time, or even black, I'm going to use black, Amsterdam black, as my swipe catalyst, my cell activator. And it does have 10 drops of pre-stained wood conditioner from Minwax added to 2 ounces of mixed up with pouring medium black paint. I have a nice swipe tool handy. I'm going to try for stripes this time, as in I want to leave some negative space between and hope that it works out. Hope that I remember too. My swipe card is almost dry from the last time. I'm going to use coppers. I think I'm going to use copper, gold, turquoise, and silver. And I'd like my turntable to not turn for the... Really? For the moment. I'm going to put a break on that, hopefully. And I'm going to start in the center. And I'm not going to do much of anything to this yet, because I think I'll just get too confused if I do. So the question is, can I make it all the way across with enough paint laid down to swipe across? I want some purple. Oh darn. Let's just do some more gold. This is a Decor Americana 24 karat gold. That's the same thing with some orange in it. That's a silver from Modern Masters. This is my loaded card. And I'm going to turn that canvas right around and do something very similar the other way. I'm thinking I'm still going to be able to develop some cells, but I've got some gold right on my card and it's really tempting to just use it right now. I think it's important that I put the... Oh, I did it again. Okay, well never mind. I missed my stripes and I'm looking for... I'm changing it up since I did that anyway. There's my purple. That's my Venetian blue, not purple. This is the silver from Modern Masters. There's my copper. There's a little bit of that orange Laden gold. I'm going to scrape off. I'm going to try and scrape off my swipe card and add it to my scrape dish. After 3 paintings, this is the amount of paint that I've wasted today. I just wanted you guys to know that it's possible to do this art and magnificently without wasting a tonnage of paint. And to me it's important, and I don't know that it's important to anybody but me, but it's not inexpensive to do this. So there you go. I'm telling you there's a way to do it, a less costly way to do it. So I have a little bit of black in between, and that's cool. That'll work. And I left a stripe in between, and that'll work. I don't know what that thing is, but it made a nice cell around it. Still, the lump can go. I don't need the lump. That blue was interesting. Very interesting. I keep wondering how much or how little I can do. I'm going to use some Arteza electric blue. and experiment with my shapes and continue to scrape off my card, which I'm tempted to put all this paint on a canvas and then swipe across it with some color and see what happens. There is a happy medium of the amount of color to use, and I think you have to find it for yourself. I didn't use any gold in there. I'm definitely liking the stripes in between. But I kind of want to move that. That's all right. This makes me want purple over here. And I think I'm gonna, oh, there are some cells poking through there. That was interesting. I'm gonna use the residuals on my card and just let that be whatever it wants to be. I'm not sure that I was right about the Venetian blue. But I can invariably be right about purple. So I think that's what's going to happen to this. Less copper, more purple. And do I have any? I kind of want to put some chrysocolla in there, but I guess I'm just going to use emerald green. This does keep developing cells. I'm going to put some pink in. I can't help it. Well, actually, I'll just settle for the purple. Who knows how much of it'll show up anyway. I push my finger down onto this card every time I start. And when there's enough paint, it doesn't leave gaps. But when there's not enough paint, you're likely to get a little gap. I have a really nice little swipe card and I'm not finding it. I found it! Hey! How lucky is that? That's pretty cool. I'm going to use it on this end, I think. That looks like the same thing the other thing was. And it needs to go. As long as the dog hair on the end of my tweezers is also gone first. So I'm really wanting to change things up a little bit. And that's going to be grabbing a bunch of this purple. Giving myself a chance to use my residuals. I don't see any place else that I need that. But I am going to just continue in that vein. Grab some more black. Good squish on that one. Don't have to use the whole thing, you can use a partial thing. Swipe card being the thing in question. Yeah, I'm much happier with the purple there, honestly. But that's pretty much typical of me anyway. And my paint is drying elsewhere. So I'm going to get a move on. And maybe I'll just swipe from halfway across, as I've just begun doing. And I'm going to use the card I was using. Am I? Yes, I am. This looks similar to something else I just did, but different colors. I think it's time for turquoise on that end. Oh, I found a better scrape tool to get my paint off my card. Much easier. These are on my Amazon link. My Amazon link is under the video, under the link tree. This is not right. I want to try that in the black. See what happens. Twice even. Yep, I'm craving turquoise on this end. And we're going to be done in a second, so I'm going to tell you guys that I have 93,000 or more subscribers, and if you've been around for a while, thank you. If you're brand new, please be welcomed. If you're not subscribed, we'd love to have you. There are over 1,900 videos on my playlists. You can find them by going to all playlists, created playlists. Doesn't matter how much paint I put on this right now, because I can use the other side. Now I've started doing this and it turns out to be a lot less messy if you're used to it, which means that I don't actually have to put paint on my edges if I don't want to, but I kind of do. So that's pretty. It's a little on the subtle side for me, but I'm just teaching myself how much paint to use. Look how well that works. Just takes all that paint right off of there. And I've got just about enough time to torch. I'm just going to rub that paint right in, because I had black paint on there already, so I can sort of eradicate whatever I don't want. And the ends are covered by shiny film. I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Check out my Teespring clothing below the video. It's Oliver Print leggings and Oliver Print t-shirts. Or if you'd rather, check out Fine Art America and Pixels.com. It's all my stuff on there. And if you can't find what you're looking for, just ask me. Thank you for all the donations that help keep me painting all this time. Thank you for the wonderful comments. If you're interested in being entered in the monthly drawing, the drawing is on the 1st of the month and it runs until the end of the month. And contributions through PayPal or Patreon, whose icons you will find on the bottom right hand corner of my YouTube channel banner, or the links on the link tree, will get you automatically entered. I'll send you a copy of the video. The exhibition video on the end screens in the last 20 seconds has the prizes shown at the beginning of it, the drawing prizes that you get to choose from. My link tree below the video has Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for Students. You can see tomorrow's video there too. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors has albums of artworks from the past. If you're interested in purchasing an artwork, use the hashtag and the file number from the from the title of the video, and use my email address to contact me. It's right below the link tree. It might be under Show More, along with my paint pouring recipe. Please like my video. Give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to help me and you're not a contributor, you're contributing by watching longer, sharing videos, watching the commercials sometimes, and giving me a thumbs up. Your comments count too. So thank you guys for all the support. I really appreciate it. Check the community board for tomorrow's video and ask me questions if you want to, and I will get back to you as best I can. Look on my Amazon link for my 2 books, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. If you shop my Amazon link, you help me by shopping there at no added cost to you, and you can buy anything that Amazon sells from my link, and it will eventually help me buy art supplies. So thank you so much. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I'm sure I said that twice. I'll see you anon. I post 7 days a week, and twice on weekends, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday nights have a 10 p.m. show. So I'm not sure what time the daytime ones are. It's been 1:30, but it could be any time. So watch when the notifications come out, would ya? Thank you. Again, I love you. See you soon, I hope. Bye for now. Maybe tomorrow.